The young Karen.
The highly productive. Now, you're probably someone who had a bunch of homework at the beginning of the year and it's all completed.
You probably did all your math drills without your parents yelling at you.
And you go to homework help to socialize.
The DIY queen.
Now, your quarantine period has looked a lot like tie-dye sites every week.
You've probably filled a whole jar with those little paper stars. And you've probably started journaling as well.
If you want tips and tricks on journaling, check out our video down below.
The motivational.
I'm doing a 6-week juice cleanse. I'm trying to find myself. I'm gonna go on YouTube now to find some videos of motivation.
You're probably researching all of the Spotify podcasts that will help you improve yourself. The Uni Students.
Now, you're praying for the online exams.
And you're drowning in presentations.
The power of your glasses has probably increased by so much. Have fun with those thick glasses, guys.
The entrepreneur. Cha-ching! Your main goal, or what you've been thinking about over quarantine period, is to start your own business. Maybe selling jewelry or even lip gloss.
But let's be honest, the main thing you're excited about is the packaging.
You plan out your business with your best friend, but let's face it, nothing really happens.
The Optimistic Planner.
So optimistic. You talk about all the places that you will love to go to, where you will love to eat. Yumcha.
You've probably got a spreadsheet somewhere for all the activities you're going to do in the summer.
The procrastinator.
2 very boring minutes later. Tomorrow.
Thanks guys for watching. Did you enjoy our video?
If you did, don't be afraid to drop us a comment down below.
Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Click here to check out more similar videos.
And click here to see our last video.
If you're in the US, head to sactutoring.net.
If you're in Australia, head over to sactutoring.com.